Most people know about the Titanic, but almost nobody has heard of the shipwreck that killed more than 3 times as many people and disappeared into history. The date was December 20th, 1987. The place was the Philippines. The passenger ferry MV Doña Paz was making its overnight journey across the Deadliest Strait. It was called the Peaceful Princess, carrying families heading home for Christmas, students returning from school, and workers traveling between islands. Officially, the ferry carried about 1,500 passengers, but that number was a lie. Like many ferries of the era, tickets were often sold without proper records. Entire families boarded without being listed. Children traveled free. Vendors and last-minute passengers squeezed onto the crowded decks. Investigators would later estimate that well over 4,000 people were actually on board. At the same time, an oil tanker called the MT Vector was crossing the same waters. Shortly before 10:30 p.m., disaster struck. The two ships slammed into each other. The impact ripped open the tanker's cargo holds, releasing more than 1 million liters of gasoline and petroleum products into the sea. Seconds later, the ocean itself caught fire. Witnesses described towering walls of flames spreading across the water so quickly that passengers who jumped overboard landed directly into burning fuel. The Doña Paz had almost no functioning emergency system. Many life jackets were locked away. Crew members reportedly struggled to organize an evacuation as smoke and fire engulfed the ship. Within minutes, both vessels were consumed by flames. Thousands of people were trapped. Others drifted into a sea that had become an ocean of fire. By sunrise, rescue teams found almost nothing. The official death toll reached more than 4,300 people, making it the deadliest peacetime maritime disaster in modern history. Only 26 people survived. Even more shocking, the oil tanker itself was found to have been operating with serious safety violations, and reports claimed its crew was inadequately qualified. The ferry was also accused of carrying far more passengers than legally allowed. 2 preventable failures had collided in one catastrophic moment. Yet despite claiming more lives than the Titanic, the tragedy received only a fraction of the world's attention. Today, the name Doña Paz is barely remembered outside the Philippines. But beneath the calm waters of the Deadliest Strait lies the silent resting place of thousands of people whose final moments unfolded in one of history's most devastating and forgotten shipwrecks.